guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Keela's Marketing, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, me and you. Yes, baby, we are on the road to success. Today I am presenting you with Pinterest ads checklist, okay? So what this has to offer, it's guaranteed that it's giving you free traffic, guys. Help you build your list. It's going to make sure that you gain subscribers on any platform. And on top of that, they are giving you free private label rights in which you can, once you buy this, you can resell it and rebrand it as your own, guys. And it's a whole bunch more inside. This product also has its own special bonuses. And on top of that, I have my own special bonuses only for a limited time offer though. So if you're interested in making your online business today and you have no idea where to start with this product, because you will be able to buy this and resell it and use the tips and tools in this course to help you build your online business to success. So if you want to know more about this product, make sure you stay into the end and do not miss a thing. Let's get into this review. All right, now we are now on the sales page of I Am Checklist. Why do you need to pick up I Am Checklist? This is why. Find out how to use Bing Ads to get more leads and sales for your business, even if you are scared of technology. Get in front of perfect prospects who are looking to get their problem solved and are ready to pay money for the right solution. Find out how to immediately build a massive email list to make money in the process, even if you are an unknown nobody. Plus, get access to full white label rights and rebranding, private label rights, including resales and reuse, guys. This is all at a small price at $7.49. Super duper dope, guys. And let's get into more in depth on what this product has to offer, right? We're gonna, right here, this is Kevin Fossey. Yes, right here, Kevin Fossey is the creator, guys. And let's go into a deep in-depth description of what this product has to offer. So here's everything you'll discover inside of I Am Checklist Volume 50 Pinterest Ads. This is a freaking long old name, but let's get into it. Okay, so you got checklist number 1, setting up your Pinterest account, and then you have checklist number 2, selecting your target audience and accolade audience. I don't know, never read that word in my life, guys, so yeah, bear with me. Checklist number 3, selecting your Pinterest pins, and then we have selecting broad topics and contents, guys. This is really optimizing Pinterest. I know a lot of females go on Pinterest, so Pinterest is super duper healthy when if your target audience are females. I know that much. And then we have the checklist number 5, installing your Pinterest tags on your websites. And then we have creating a schedule and content calendar. We also have checklist number 7, optimizing your pins. And then we have checklist number 8, driving referrals and traffic to your Pinterest account. And then we have checklist number 9, growing and engaging community on Pinterest. And then we have creating Pinterest campaigns, and which creating Pinterest campaigns you can give a massive boost in your traffic, which is why this checklist will show you exactly how to create traffic generated Pinterest campaigns. And then we have checklist 11, optimizing your image for Pinterest arts. And then we have SEO tips for Pinterest, the search engine tips. So whatever niche you are in, make sure you're whatever you are naming your posts, make sure they are right. So it's like how to properly label your posts. So that's like SEOs. And then we have checklist 13, creating ads and measuring ad success on Pinterest. And then we have creating a clear call to action for your business ads. And then we have checklist 15, targeting and bidding strategies for Pinterest. Then we have Pinterest best practices, in which understanding the overall landscape of the platform is crucial in making the right decisions, applying the right strategies. In the checklist, we'll go over the best Pinterest practices to help you achieve the best results. Then we have checklist 17, optimizing Pinterest and ads performance. We have checklist 18, creating your ads group. And right here, this is just talking about the full private label rights in which you can rebrand, reuse, and repurpose this whole thing everything that I just went over, baby. This is going to be yours. So you're going to redo this and sell it, okay? You're gonna make a profit from buying something like this. This is dope. Like this is dope, guys. So right here, this is all the checklists from in different formats. So like PDF or whatever, JPEG, so forth and so forth. So guys, yeah, that's it. And then we are going to scroll down to their bonuses because they have bonuses also. So I'm going to scroll down to their bonuses, and then I'm going to show you the demo video to show you how this actually works. All right, so we got bonus number 1, access to a private masterminds group, guys. And then we have bonus number 2, Pierre Lara video training series. And then we have bonus number 3, 7-figure entrepreneur book bundle, guys, in which you can use and sell and optimize your business also. Then we have bonus number 4, 101 ways to profit with PRL products. And then we have bonus number 5, I am product launching too. So those are all the products right here. So I'm about to go over to the video. It's 5 minutes, guys, so bear with me. All right, I'm about to let him take over.
Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I would like to do a review video for our upcoming launch, I Am Checklist Volume 50 Pinterest Ads. Now, we have been releasing these volumes of checklists for over 4 years now. Over 5,000 customers have actually joined our site. And every single month we release a new volume at a massive, massive discount. Right now, when we open up the doors, the price does be actually $7. And it does be a dime sale offer that increases every single sale. And after the short launch period, the price goes to $37. So depending on what time you're watching this video, obviously the price will be different, but regardless, the product alone is worth at least $97. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that is included inside the site. So in a nutshell, the main product would be 18 checklists, which are delivered in 6 different formats that you can download, you can use in your business to basically become an expert on Pinterest ads or whatever topic that we cover. And you can also use these checklists to grow your email list. You've got full private label rights to these checklists, which means you can rebrand them with your logo, with your name, with your website. You can give them away for free. You can turn them into a full PDF guide. You can turn them into a webinar training course. You can turn them into a book and sell them on Amazon. You can translate them. You can do pretty much anything you want with these checklists. Now, they're all in more or less the same format. You'll have a paragraph at the start introducing the checklist and how to use it, and then basically check boxes for everything that you need to do regarding that particular checklist. Now, right, in the 6 formats that come in is printable PDF guides. So basically you can just click on them, download them, read them online, use them any way you want. You've got editable docs, which means you can rebrand them, edit them any way you wish. You've got an online mind map, you've got Google spreadsheet format, you've got Excel spreadsheet, and you've got HTML interactive. Let me just give you a look at the Excel spreadsheet. I'll give you a look at the Google spreadsheet so I don't have to download it. And then in the next part of this video, guys, I'm just going to go over the bonuses and everything else that is included. As you can see, for those who prefer to use Google Docs and Google Sheets, we have all the spreadsheets like this. And if you just give it a sec here, you can see all the other spreadsheets load. So there's a lot of work and a lot of effort delivering these in these formats. Basically, people can use them any way they wish. Right, so here are the topics covered. Setting up your Pinterest business account, selecting your target audience and act like audience, selecting your Pinterest ads, selecting board topics and content, installing the Pinterest tags on your website, creating a schedule and content calendar, optimizing your pins, driving referrals and traffic to your Pinterest account, growing an engaged community on Pinterest, creating Pinterest campaigns, optimizing your images for Pinterest ads, SEO tips, creating ads and measuring ad success on Pinterest, creating a clear call to action for your Pinterest ads, targeting and bidding strategies for your Pinterest ads, Pinterest best practices, optimizing Pinterest ad performance, and creating your ad groups. On top of that, you're going to get access to a lot of bonuses. You've got 4 free PDF books here, which basically are worth around $27 each. You've got our I Am Product Launching course, which is worth $37. You've got PLR Hackathon, which is an 11-part video course on PLR training. And that's the bonuses for that part of the section. Right, so all this, guys, I said, depending on what time you jump on, it is an absolute complete steal. Now, there is something you might want to pay attention to as the upgrade. When you purchase this, you'll have the option to access all our auto checklists for only $3. Sorry, let me rephrase that. All the checklists we released in 2021 and we released in 2022 for just $3. And I'm just going to show you that quickly, everything that is included. So you got domain flipping, and anything we release next month will be on cryptocurrency and so forward. And then everything we released last year, which is consulting, securing your content, split testing, optimization, list engagement, Kindle publishing, digital agency, Tripwire offers, Bing ads, improving email deliverability, Google My Business, cybersecurity, and niche websites. So that is an optional upgrade that I do recommend you guys check out. So this is Kevin Faddy, your review of everything that is included in our new I Am Checklist volume on Pinterest ads. If you have any questions, post them below, and have an awesome.
Alright, guys, so that is done. I'm about to head right into my bonus page, guys. So my bonuses, me and Jonah Armstrong have collaborated on our bonuses, so let's dive right into it. Let me tell you that my bonuses are at a limited time offer. Only 3 days left, guys. So if you want to pick up my bonuses, or if you want to pick up I Am Checklist, you totally can. So let's get right into my bonuses. And yes, that video I just showed you is also on my bonus page, so you can totally watch it on my bonus page. So let's get into it. We have bonus number 1. This is $200 per day on autopilot. This is a step-by-step tutorial from Jonah Armstrong showing you how you can use these techniques to make up to $200 per day on autopilot. Then we have bonus number 2. This is how to write headlines that sell. When it comes down to you posting, you need to know how to keep your audience attention. So right here, this is how to write headlines that sell, and making sure that you keep your audience attention from your girl step-by-step tutorial from me. And then we have bonus number 3. This is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions, guys, okay? Making that big bang, making at least $100 per sale, okay? Or plus. And then we have bonus number 5. This is for my guys that move fast. So if you are looking to just upgrade your online business, baby, I have the perfect VIP bundle for you. This is 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger profit with Jonah Armstrong, Bendon Mace, and much more other of the top vendors / affiliates in the game right now. Don't forget, you can get all my bonuses just by clicking 2 buttons. So go to my description, click that link, and then come over to my bonus page and click this button in which it will redirect you to get your own copy of I Am Checklist. And last but not least, this is all the vendor bonuses in which I went over in the sales page. If you want to connect with your girl on any social medias, just scroll all the way down to my bonus page, hit up my Facebook, hit up my YouTube, and my TikTok. Thank you so much. It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you want a brief or if you want a more detailed description on the upsells and downsells, I really recommend the front end price at $7. But if you want a brief description and a little bit more about the page, just hop over to my bonus page. Click that link in my comments or in my description. Come over to Keela's incredible free bonuses for you guys. This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, we are on the road to success.